Hey guys, my name is Kelly. I'm a full-time reseller. I sell primarily on Poshmark. My Instagram and Poshmark are both rebel_rose_co. So today I'm going to do a thrift haul. This is just stuff from a bunch of different places that I've been accumulating, and I just now got around to photographing it. Just want to show you guys stuff that I got. So keep watching. If you like this kind of content, if you could give this video a like, a comment, if you could subscribe, all of that means so much to me. So let's get started. So the first item, the brand is Trio New York. It's new with tags. I think it might be vintage. It's 100% linen. It's this cute little suit kind of style dress. It has shoulder pads. I'm pretty sure it is vintage. Yeah, it's super cute and I'm super excited to list it. Okay, next is a pair of Eileen Fisher jeans. I actually had these listed a long time ago. Sent them into ThredUp because Eileen Fisher sells well on there, but they did not sell. So we are gonna relist them. They're just black straight leg jeans. We are going to list them on Poshmark and see how they do. Next item is the brand Soft Jouet. It's this nice oversized cardigan. It has like an asymmetrical hem. It has 8% wool. Might sit for a little bit because it's summertime. Also, it's really warm in this room right now. It's summertime, obviously, but it's really hot in this room. So if I'm rushing through this, it's because it's 1,000 degrees. I'm filming just a bunch of videos in one day. That's why I'm wearing the same dress, because it's literally so hot, and I can't have my fan on because you won't be able to hear me talk. So I'm just gonna push through this one day and then I'll have enough content for like a month. It's just Brandy Melville, but I thought this piece is really interesting. It says made in Italy. Brandy Melville is not super expensive, so I was surprised that it was made in Italy. It's a blue floral wrap dress, but I think it's missing one tie. There's no spots on here that look like a tie was cut, but this tie doesn't wrap all the way around, so I'm just gonna note that in the listing. I'm not totally sure. I think it might be missing one. Next brand is the brand Clean, K-L-E-E-N. This is 100% linen top. I'm gonna use the words sustainable, lag and look as keywords in my description. It's just an oversized button-down shirt. Great sustainable piece. Great for summer. This would look super good, like unbuttoned over like a swimsuit as like a cover up. Yeah, that's a great summer piece. Next is the brand Norma Kamali. I have found this one time many years ago. I think I only sold the shirt for $25, but I don't think I knew it was expensive. But this is like a super long trench coat, and it has buttons. It has a belt that's over there. But it's super nice. I'm gonna list this pretty high and see how it does, because that brand retailed for a lot. Okay, next is brand Walker. This is a light yellow linen tank top, perfect for summer. Super cute. I've got an Eileen Fisher. There's no material tag on this. It feels like cotton to me, but sometimes their silk blend stuff feels like this. It's like a clasp closure, which is pretty unique. And then this next was a new brand to me. The brand is Subdued. It's made in Italy. It's like a tweed sort of. It's very interesting because the sleeves are crazy long. I don't know if you can see, but the sleeves are crazy long. So I hope that's not gonna make this hard to sell. I think this is gonna do pretty well. Again, I'm sorry if I'm flying through this. It's so hot. I have to get a video filmed. Roxy dress, not normally a brand I would pick up, but this was new with tags, and it's pretty cute. It retailed for $49.50, and I got this really cheap. Can probably sell it for $25.30, so I am excited for that. Next item is Intimately Free People. I'm not gonna get a huge amount for this. It's like a light orange coral cropped top with like ruffle sleeves. It does have a very small hole in the shoulder, super small. Next, I got a pair of Lululemon yoga pants. They are cropped flare They have a zip, and there's the symbol, Lululemon. Unless it's a new pair of leggings or a jacket, this brand isn't selling as well for me as it used to, so I'll probably get 25, 30 for those. And this is Bella Doll. This is another brand that retails for a ton. I might get 25 for this. I've never actually sold this brand. It has a very unique print. It's plaid, but if you look up close, it sort of looks tie-dye. What would you guys call this? It's very interesting. I'm not sure if it's tie-dye. It's over plaid, so I don't know how to describe that top. Next is an apron. I thought this was pretty cool. Let me show you the brand first. Starla M. Halfman. I think that's what it says. It's in cursive, but it's sold at Anthropologie. And it does have a small spot on the front, but it's so cute. Look at that floral print. It has pockets. That's so cute. I'm super excited to sell that. This is Free People pair of jeans. I bought this for myself. They unfortunately did not fit me. They have like a giant rip, lots of distressing. Yeah, I purchased these on Poshmark. They unfortunately did not fit me. I did mention these when I did my closet clear out, decluttering my closet haul video. I just forgot. They got put in the wrong pile, but I decluttered these. If you haven't watched that, you definitely should. I will link it. Next is the brand Isabella Bird. I was hoping this is Johnny Was when I saw it. It gives me Johnny Was vibes. There's the tag. It's just very boho, and it has some embroidery, floral embroidery. I just thought of Johnny Was when I saw this. So I got it for like $1. I haven't even looked it up, to be honest. So I need to list all these things still. So I don't have like exactly what I'm gonna list them for. Wilfred, sold at Aritzia. Very soft. It's like this purple long top. It has pockets. It does have a little bit of pilling. It has this like draped cowl neck, and it does have a tiny spot, barely visible, but yeah, super comfy piece. It's also very lightweight, so perfect for summer. This is also Aritzia, or Wilfred, which is sold at Aritzia. It says Wilfred 8, which must be one of their lines. They also have Wilfred Free, but this is so cute. This gives me retro, like pinup vibes. Striped. Does it have pockets? Yes, it has pockets. Super cute dress. If you're still here, it means so much to me. Please like, comment, subscribe. It really means so much to me. So thank you for any of you who do that. Sorry, it's hot in here. It's summer. How do you guys live or work or do anything in the summer? Okay, this is a pair of Lululemon leggings. And the symbol, it's like faded. When I washed them, I thought it had washed off completely, but it didn't. It's just faded. Let me find it. Okay, the label is there. So, yeah, I had to take a picture of it, but yeah, it's a little hard to see, but these are Lululemon, so probably 25 for those. Okay, I got this shirt because these seem to be doing well. The ones, especially with like wolves or like bears, like random stuff, seem to be doing well, which is interesting because Y2K stuff is coming back. Sorry, I'm like leaning back because I am tired. When the Y2K stuff is coming back, it's funny because when I was like in middle school, the kids who wore these were like bullied because people thought that they were weird, and now everyone's wearing these shirts. Like, it's cool. It's like, can you apologize to the people you bullied for wearing the same shit? Like, it's just weird. Next, the brand is just Karen Kane. It's vintage, 100% linen, maxi skirt, and it buttons on the side all the way down, or most of the way down. Super nice, really good quality. My cats are here inspecting my pile. Next, the brand is 1520. It is also a very expensive brand. This is just a pair of white pants, and it is silk and tencel. So this part is silk, the rest is tencel. I did wash these. I don't know if you're supposed to. They don't feel as soft as they were. Or I think I didn't realize what they were made out of. I don't know. So I'm gonna mention that in the listing, but they're still in really good condition. Next, the brand is Friday's Linen Refined. It's just a black 100% linen button-up shirt. I kind of wanted to keep this for myself, but you know, like on Instagram when you see girls wearing like oversized linen, like button-up shirts, and it looks so good, and then when I wear it, it's like not, it does not look the same as these girls, but that's a really nice piece. Okay, only a couple more. If you're still here, I really appreciate it. The next is Ann Taylor. I have 2 things by them. I don't normally pick up this brand. It sells super well for some people, not for me, but that doesn't mean it can't sell well for anyone else. These are new with tags. The Margot pants, I believe they're wool. I don't see this, the tag, material tag right away, but these are new with tags, dress pants. So I figured for $2, I will give that a shot. The next is also, it's Ann Taylor Loft. Also, I was wondering, there's no brand for Ann Taylor Loft on Poshmark, so do you guys list your items that are this brand under Ann Taylor or under Loft? Because I can't figure out which one would sell better. This is a new with tags wool blazer. It's like sort of a herringbone print. It's probably gonna sit for a little while, but it retailed for $139. Like, who knew this brand is so expensive? So, of course, if something's $2 and I see the tag for $139, I can't resist. Doesn't matter what brand it is. Okay, the last item is J. Crew. Again, this brand does not always sell well for me, but it can, and some people sell it for a lot. It's just different things work for different people. J. Crew, Banana Republic, and Taylor Loft, those things don't sell well for me. Usually, sometimes they do, but for some people, they sell it all day, every day. But anyway, this is a linen dress. It has a cute pattern, a bunch of different like geometric print. It has pockets. It's like thick, high quality. So I'm super excited to list that. Okay, it felt so good to get all that stuff hauled because now I can list it and put it away. It's just been sitting on my desk and it's been overwhelming me. So if you guys watch the whole thing, that means so much to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.